Azerbaijan's air force is set to make waves in the defense world. With the acquisition of the JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets, Azerbaijan is poised to elevate its aerial firepower to unprecedented levels. But that's not all. These formidable jets will be armed with Turkey's cutting-edge Bozdogan and Bozdogan air-to-air missiles, transforming them into true game-changers in the skies. The JF-17 Block 3, a product of the collaboration between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and China's Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, is already a formidable multi-role fighter. With its integration of advanced avionics from Turkey's defense sector, this jet becomes even more lethal in modern warfare scenarios. Now let's talk about these missiles. The Bozdogan Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile, or Bvraam, allows the JF-17 Block 3 to engage threats at a distance, well before they can pose a danger. Meanwhile, the Bozdogan Within Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile ensures dominance in close combat situations. Together, these missiles provide a comprehensive solution for both long-range and short-range aerial engagements. The deepening defense alliance between Turkey and Azerbaijan is a testament to their mutual trust and strategic partnership. By opting for Turkish-made missiles, Azerbaijan not only enhances its own military capabilities, but also endorses Turkey's rapidly advancing defense industry. This move solidifies Turkey's position as a key player in global arms production. In February, reports confirmed Azerbaijan's deal to acquire the latest variant of the JF-17 Block 3, signaling its unwavering commitment to strengthening its air force. This acquisition is more than just a procurement. It's a bold statement of Azerbaijan's intent to bolster its aerial dominance with cutting-edge technology from both Pakistan and China. What does this mean for the region? Azerbaijan's enhanced air combat capabilities could shift the balance of power, creating a new dynamic in regional security. It's a clear message that Azerbaijan is not just keeping up with modern warfare trends, but is ready to lead with advanced technology and strategic alliances. In conclusion, the combination of the JF-17 Block 3 and Turkey's Bozdogan and Bozdogan missiles is set to redefine Azerbaijan's place in aerial warfare. With such powerful tools at its disposal, Azerbaijan's air force is on the path to becoming a formidable force in the region. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as passionate about defense technology as I am, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated with the latest in military advancements. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.